Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Uber saying no cars available in your area even though you know that there are drivers nearby? Before you give up, here are a few things that you should try that actually work. First, make sure that your location pin is exactly in the right spot. Tap the pin on the map and drag it to the precise location. Then, sometimes being even a half a block off puts you outside a driver's zone. After confirming your pin, try switching the ride type. If you're searching for Uber X, try switching to Uber Comfort, Uber XL, or even Uber Black. Sometimes one category has drivers available when other doesn't. Wait 2 to 3 minutes and search again because drivers availability updates constantly. Also, check if there's local event happening nearby. Concerts, sport games, or rush hours dramatically reduce availability and you may just need to wait 10 to 15 minutes. And lastly, check that your Uber app is fully updated. Go to the App Store, search for Uber, and make sure that the app is updated. Outdated version sometimes shows incorrectly low availability. So all you gotta do is fix your location pin, switch ride types, wait a few minutes and check for local events. Cars will show up